Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 68 of Surah Al-A'raf and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أبلغكم رسالات ربي وأنا لكم ناصح أمين. Hamza is very sharp for Dhamma, circle lips. The sound is short. Ba is light for Fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Li for kasra give e sound. Gu ghain is heavy for Dhamma, circle lips. The sound is short. Gu kum for Dhamma, circle lips attached with mim. You will get sifa of tawassut. Ra is light for kasra give e sound. Sa 2 counts long. La 2 counts long. Ti for kasra give e sound. Rabbi ra is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with ba. Ba will get sifa of shidda. The sound will cut off abruptly. Rob, and then it is 2 counts long. B, Robbi, wa, makhraj of always circling your lips for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Hamza is sharp and short. Why it's short? Because we are continuing our recitation. If we will discontinue, like we will give waqf here, then we will say ana. But right now, as we are not giving waqf, we will say noon short. Na short. This is sifre mustatil. Sifre mustatil. When we stop, we give waqf, we establish this alif. But if we continue our recitation, we are not pronouncing this alif. A short, na short, la for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Kum for the circle lips attached with meme. As you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position, and meme will get tip off the wasut. Na 2 counts long. Sli, Swat is heavy for kasra give e sound. Hun for the circle lips, the sound is short. Hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws. Me. Because of this fact, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat li sukoon. أبلغكم رسالات ربي وأنا لكم ناصح أمين. Hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws. Makhraj of waw is circling your lips for fatha upon jaws. Ain from middle part of your throat for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Jib for kasra give e sound attached with ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala. Jib tum for the circle lips attached with meme. You will get sifa of tawassut. This is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. So keep your tongue straight. Your tongue should be very close to the makhraj of jim while you are pronouncing ikhfa. Ja. Sorry, 4 counts long. It is 4 counts long. This is mad. Mad muttasil wajib. Ja. Hamza is sharp. And the Hamza should not merge into this alif. It has a very clear shidda sound. Ja'akum for the circle lips attached with meme. We will get sifa of tawassut. Dik, give the sound in dal. Dik, and give hums on kaf. Dik. Ra is heavy. And you're giving idgham here, and this idgham is with gunna. So you're keeping the sound in your nose very nicely. Mir. Mm, for kasra, give e sound on meme. As you will touch raw, raw will be heavy, and raw will get zip of the wasut. Mir. And this is idgham without gunna. You are not giving a gunna sound in it. This is idgham without gunna. Mir. And ra will be heavy. Mir. Rabbi. And for fatha open jaws attached ba, ba will get zip of shidda. The sound will cut off abruptly. B for kasra, give e sound. Kum for dhamma circular lips attached me. Me will get zip of the wasut. I, ain from your throat nicely. La, 2 counts long. Ra is heavy for fatha open jaws. You for dhamma circular lips, the sound is short. Lim, idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ming, this idgham, this ikhfa is like you're about to say ink. And it sounds like idhar, but this mechanism is very different. Minkum for the circular ellipse attached mim, you will get sip of the wasut. Li for kasra, give e sound. Yum for the circular ellipse. As you will touch ikhfa, your lips should be in a straight position. Your tongue should be very close to the makhraj of dal, and you are keeping the sound and the gunna into your nose. The very important part of ikhfa is gunna. Yung the focus give e sound. A ra is heavy for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Kum for the circular lips. As you will touch mim, your lips should be in a straight position, and you will get the wasut. With makhraj of waw circling your lips, as you will touch dal, dal will get zip of rakhawa. The sound, this is flow of sound, so the sound should be hearable. With kaf is light for the circular lips, the sound is short. Mad munfasil jazz, make it 4 counts long, and ra will be heavy. In for kasra, give e sound attached dal, dal will get sifa of rakhawa. In ja for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ain from middle part of your throat for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. La for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Kum for the circular lips attached mim, you will get sifa of the wasut. Kha is heavy for the circular lips, and it has infitah. La for fatha open jaws. Fa, give hams in fa, and then it is 4 counts long because this is mad muttasil wajib. Fa, hamza is sharp for fatha open jaws. Mim for kasra, give e sound, and then there is iqlab. In iqlab, you are keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time, so it has kamila gunna, but kamila is not very less. It is still considerable. So mim ba for fatha open jaws, and keep ba light, and ain light, and ain will get sip of the wasut, and ain should be from middle part of your throat. D for kasra, give e sound. Qaf is heavy for fatha open jaws attached with waw. This waw is lean, so when you are attaching this fatha with waw, you are making it soft. Mi for kasra, give e sound. Nu for the circular lips, make it 2 counts long. Hiu idgham with gunna, but it is nakis. Gunna nakisa, but the idgham is with gunna. Hiu wa makhraj of waw circling your lips for fatha open jaws. Za, 2 counts long. Da for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Kum for the circular lips attached with me, we will get sip of the wasut. Fil For kasra give e sound, and fa will get sifa of hams, and attach with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Fil, khol, kha is heavy, but it has infitah. Khol, kha is attached with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Qi, for kasra give e sound, the sound is heavy, but it is comparatively light because um, it has kasra on it. So khalqi, qaf is light, qaf is heavy, but comparatively light. Basta, ba is light for fatha upon jaws, and then we are attaching it with seen. This is what we are pronouncing, not sod. So, basta. The easiest way what I can say to you that if you find any small letter, any option written at the top of the any letter, then you will pronounce this the one at the top. And if you find at the top and at the bottom, then you can um, choose both. So here you are choosing seen. Best, oh, best, oh. Oh is heavy for top on jaws, and then attach it. Ha. This ta on buck, it will be changed into ha. So, and ha will get sifa of rakawa. Best, oh, with fed. Fa will get sifa of hams. Fatha upon jaws attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of rakhawa. Fadhkuru. Kaf is light for the circle ellipse. The sound is short. Ru. Ra is heavy for the circle ellipse, and make it 4 counts long because this is mad munfasil jais. Hamza is very sharp. Make it 2 counts long. Ala, 4 counts long. Allahi, Hamza is sharp. Fatha upon jaws attached. Lafz jalala. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. He, for kasra give e sound. La, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Al, ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Kum, for dhamma circle ellipse attached with mim, you will get sifa of tawassut. Tuf, for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Attached with fa. Fa will get sifa of rakhawa. Tufli, focus give e sound. Hoon. Because of this fact, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat li sukun. أَوَعَجِبْتُمْ أَنْ جَاءَكُمْ ذِكْرٌ مِّن رَبِّكُمْ عَلَى رَجُلٍ مِّنكُمْ لينذركم واذكروا إذ جعلكم خلفاء من بعد قوم نوح وزادكم في الخلق بسطة واذكروا آلاء الله لعلكم تفلحون. Qaf is heavy for fatha open jaws, and this alif will be heavy too because it is attached with the heavy letter. Whenever this alif is with heavy letter, it will be heavy. When it will be attached with light letter, it will be light. قالوا. For Dhamma, circle ellipse, make it 4 counts long because this is mad. Munfasil jais. A. Hamza is sharp. For fatha upon jaws. Z. For kasra give E sound attached with Hamza. Hamza will get sip of shidda. The sound will cut off abruptly. G. Ta is sharp. For fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Na. 2 counts long. Li. For kasra give E sound. Na. Noon is light. For fatha upon jaws attached with Ain. Ain will get sip of tawassut. Woo. For the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Daw. Dal is light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Dawah. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Wah. Makhraj of waw. Circling your lips, for fatha upon jaws attached. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa, and half should be from middle part of your throat. Wahda. Dal is sharp. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Who. For the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. This is sila sughra. Who. For the circle ellipse. Makhraj of waw. Circling your lips, for fatha upon jaws. Na. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. The. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ra will be heavy because there is fatha on it. And for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ma. 2 counts long. Kaf is light and 2 counts long. Na. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Yeah. Yeah, it's light. For fatha upon jaws attached to Ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut, and Ain should be middle part of your throat. Boo. For the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Do. For the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Hamza is sharp, make it 2 counts long. Ba. Mad munfasil jais. Mad muttasil wajib. Mad muttasil wajib, make it 4 counts long. U. For the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Na. 2 counts long. Fa. Give hams in fa. For fatha upon jaws attach with Hamza. Hamza will get sifa of shidda. The sound will cut off abruptly. The makhraj will cut off the sound. T. For kasra give E sound. Na. 2 counts long. B. For kasra give E sound. Ma. 2 counts long. Ta. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short and sharp. Ain from middle part of your throat. For kasra give E sound. Do. For the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Na. Mad munfasil jais, make it 4 counts long. In. This ikhfa is like you seem like you're listening to idhar, but it's not idhar. It's like you're about to say ink. It's very unique ikhfa. It's in for the circle ellipse, and then there is ikhfa. Your tongue should be very close to the makhraj of ta, and you're keeping the gunna sound into your nose. The very important part of ikhfa is gunna. Kunta. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Mi. For kasra give E sound. Nas. Noon is light and attaches sod. Sod will get sifa of rakhawa, and it is heavy and it has safi. Nas. And it is 2 counts long. D. For kasra give E sound. Teen. Because of this fuck, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long over into 4. This is madarid li sukoon. قالوا أجئتنا لنعبد الله وحده ونذر ما كان يعبد آباؤنا ونذر ما كان يعبد آباؤنا فأتنا بما تعدنا إن كنت من الصادقين. Qaf is heavy, and Alif is heavy too. Make it two counts long. La for fatha punjas, the sound is short. Qa, Qaf is heavy for fatha punjas, and then attach it. Dal, Dal will get sifa of qalqala. Keep dal light because of the heavy cough. You might make this dal heavy too. Be careful. قاد و مخرج القاف circling your lips. ق Cough is heavy for the open jaws. Ain from your throat. For the open jaws, the sound is short. Ain from your throat. For the open jaws. Lay. This is lean, so make it soft when you are attaching fatha with ya. Kum for the circular lips, and then there is idgham shafawi. You are keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mir idgham without gunna. You are not keeping in the sound in your nose into your nose at all. Mir rob Ra is heavy, and for fatha upon jaws attached ba will get sifa of shidda. The sound will be cut off abruptly. Rabbi for kasra give e sound. The sound is short. Kum for the circular lips attached meme will get sifa of tawassut. Rij Ra is light because there is kasra on it, and attached jim will get sifa of qalqala. Rijisum idgham with kunna. ومخرج القاف circling your lips for fatha open jaws. غ Ghain is heavy for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. ضاب Dod is heavy for fatha open jaws. Attached ba will get sifa of qalqala because there is a back now. Hamza is sharp for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Tu for the circle lips. The sound is short. Ja make it two counts long. D for kasra give e sound. Lu for the circle lips, make it two counts long. Na for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ni two counts long. Fi give hams and fa, and then make it four counts long because this is mad munfasil jais. As hamza is sharp for fatha open jaws, attaching sin will get sifa of raqawa. It is light and it has the feel. Asma mad muttasil wajib, make it four counts long. And this is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light because sin is amongst light letters, so you are keeping your tongue straight. You're going towards the makhraj of sin, and you are keeping this gunna sound into your nose. The very important part of ikhfa is gunna. Sam fatha upon jaws attached meme will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound into your nose for a longer time. May, and this is lean, so you are making it soft and you are attaching fatha with ya. Two for the circle lips, the sound is short. Mu for the circle lips, make it two counts long. Ha mad munfasil jais, make it four counts long. Hamza is sharp for top on jaws, and then there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. Tum for the circle ellipse attached meme will get sifa of tawassut. Wa makhraj of circle in your lips for top on jaws. Two counts long. Ba mad muttasil wajib, make it four counts long. U for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Kum this is idgham shafawi. You're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Idgham has gunna in it. Ma two counts long. Naz for fatha upon jaws attached zaza will get sifa of rukhawa, and it has safir. Naz, and it is light. Z for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Law, this lam is light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Law, lafz jalala is always long. Who for the ma circle ellipse, the sound is short. D for kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Ha, two counts long. Mia for kasra give e sound, and then there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. You're keeping the sound and gunna into your nose very nicely. Sul, scene is light for the ma circle ellipse attached lam. Lam gets above the wasut. Sultan. Ta is heavy. Because of this buff, you are giving temporary sukun on noon. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long word into four. This is madarat li sukun. Fa, give hamsin fa, and then there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light because ta is among the light letters. You are keeping the gunna sound into your nose very nicely. Fa, ta is sharp of a top and jaw. We voice heavy for kasra give e sound. The sound is short. Ru, for the ma circle lips make it four counts long because this is mad munfasil jais. In Hamza is sharp for kasra give e sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ni, two counts long. Ma for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. A, ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Kum for the ma circle lips. As you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position and you are keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time because this is idgham shafawi. Nal for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sip off the wasut. Mu for the ma circle lips. As you will touch ikhfa, your lips should be in a straight position and this ikhfa is light. Mu, ta is sharp for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. We, the is heavy for kasra give e sound, but you should know the levels of the heaviness. This is comparatively light, but the will not be ever that light that it sounds like zal or any other light letters. No, the heaviness of the is very heavy. Even if you are giving kasra, its heaviness is not that low. It's ta we reen. Because of this fact, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is madarat lissakun. قال قد وقع عليكم من ربكم رجس وغضب أتجادلونني في أسماء سميتموها أنتم وآباؤكم ما نزل الله بها من سلطان فانتظروا إني معكم من المنتظرين. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.